Hi guys, this is Puneet and you are watching PS Talk. And today I am going to show you how you can restore WhatsApp deleted messages. So let's get started. To restore WhatsApp deleted messages, you will need an app which is WAMR. Just search the app in the Play Store and you will get it, as you can see in the video. Just install the app and open it. Let me just fast forward the setup process. You just have to give the permission to the app. That's all. After giving all the permissions, now let's test this app. So let's go in WhatsApp and let me send a message. As you can see, I have a message of hi. Let's go in and let me just delete this message. So now we have a deleted message at 8 p.m. Let's go to WAMR and see if we have it there or not. Yeah, it is here. As you can see, at 8 p.m. we have a hi message which is deleted in WhatsApp. Now let's test this once again. At this time I have a message, how are you, at 8 p.m. 1 minute. And let me just delete it. As you can see, the message is deleted of 8 p.m. and 1 minute. Let's see. Yes, we have how are you message of 8 p.m. and 1 minute in our WAMR. So that's how this trick works. I hope you will enjoy this video, and if you do, then give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to share and subscribe our channel.